Hi, I'm Amy of Amy Nicole Floral, and on today's episode, I want to show you one of the hacks that I've used as a freelance floral designer for years and how to really quickly clean a bunch of roses. So during holidays or during wedding season, if you don't own one of those large rose strippers that does all the work for you and you still manually strip your roses like most of us do, it can really be a long process in the processing of a rose. So I just want to show you a quick technique that I use that helps me to process a lot of roses as quickly as possible. So I have a product review on another YouTube episode of mine that is all about different types of rose strippers. So head on over there and check it out if you want to look at different types. But today I'm going to be using this very simple plastic one. It has these little fingers on it, and it's really amazing because it sort of grabs the foliage and grabs the thorns and rips them off without damaging the stem of the rose. It's always important not to damage the stem of the rose because we don't want to let bacteria get into the flower and prematurely kill it. So this is what I'm going to be using. So when I'm processing roses, I like to take one bunch at a time and process them and hold them, place them in front of me horizontally. Okay, I don't do this vertically because the motion that I'm going to be using is this direction. So I open them up, and I oftentimes will wear gloves because I don't like to touch the leaves. They've been sprayed with a lot of chemicals usually if they're commercially grown. And so I will just kind of put some gloves on, and also it helps to protect my hands from thorns. But today I'm just going to use my hands. So with the roses held at a horizontal direction, they're in a pile, and I separate them from myself just a bit, and I reach over and I just simply grab one, and I just do a quick swipe and lay it in front of me. So if I grab tightly, this is one quick motion that I'm making. What I'm trying to avoid is picking up a flower, looking at it, peeling these things off, using a knife or clippers. This process takes so long when I do this individually. But if I can do this in one quick motion, I can get through several roses at a time. Then I'm going to pick up, say, 10 at a time. And if I see any big thorns, I can just quickly grab, just cutting the tip off, and just tap them on the table, cut 1 to 2 inches off the bottom. I usually quick dip my roses and I put them in cool water to hydrate. So instead of lifting up each individual flower and really examining it and looking at it, doing this motion of keeping it close to your body and just stripping, you can process hundreds of roses in a very short amount of time. So I hope this little floral hack has been helpful for you. Make sure to give it a try next time you have to process a whole bunch of roses. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video if this is helpful, and of course subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the floral information coming your way. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.